Well, let's check it in.
Tadele Kansal on Facebook. I have an I-130 application with USCIS. I got married 7 months ago. If it gets to 2 years before my application is finalized, can I get a 10-year permanent residence? If yes, is there any mechanism by which I can push my application to delay? I don't want to come to the U.S. for just a year. I have a high-paying job at the moment.
She has an I-130, not an I-751.
I said I-130 application.
How do you delay? Yeah, just when your case gets to the National Visa Center, don't submit the affidavit of support so fast.
Okay, RM on YouTube. Can I join the U.S. military with a stamp on my passport while I-751 is processing?
Yes.
Daryl Winneba on YouTube. If my wife is filing an adjustment of status for me at the same time she's filing her citizenship, can I get my green card in a year?
Well, if you're filing an adjustment and you're in legal status, even if your wife's not a citizen, you can get your green card in about a year.
Natural Nikisha on YouTube. DQ since June 2020 and still no interview date for F2A category. Is the embassy in Kingston, Jamaica conducting an interview, and what can I do to get the interview?
They've been closed for a long time, and it's just trickling in. Unless there is some humanitarian crisis that you need to be in the U.S. immediately, or you're going to age out, there's not a lot you can do.
AN on YouTube. Can a green card holder travel to a European country like Germany with a foreign country passport, or do they need to travel for a travel document, or do they need to apply for a travel document?
The green card allows you to re-enter the United States of America. Whether or not you can enter, say, Germany would depend on what the German rules are for people with your passport.
Nina Slavchekva on YouTube. My spouse has a child from a previous marriage. Do I have to write him in the I-751 form, or is it only for the biological children that we have together?
All your children.
Kelvin on YouTube. I did my interview on October 21st, 2021. I have not received my work authorization, and I have yet to hear from USCIS. What should I do?
Follow up with them. If it's, I wasn't there. I didn't do your case. How long has it been?
Did the interview October 21st, 2021.
It's only been 5 weeks. Sit back and relax.
Elizabeth Aching on YouTube. Is there any chance for work permits for immigrants in Biden's bill?
Yes, we're waiting for Plan C.
Okay, Phil's Kend on YouTube. My best friend has been waiting for a court date for his asylum case since 2017. What can he do? 5 years is not too much time?
We can file a mandamus if you have a really good case.
Bukola Sani on Facebook. My sister's case was denied because I think USCIS sent a letter to our former address and we didn't know. I recently checked my sister's status and it says it was denied April 2021 because March was the deadline to reapply for the letter or to the letter. They said we can file a motion to reopen. Should we file this or just restart over? Which is better and faster? The case has been going on for 4 years now.
Who sponsored who?
Just says that the sister's case was denied.
Well, if the sister is going to lose a priority date, you want to make a motion to reopen. But really, if they mailed the notice, the RFE, to an old address, the only way you're going to win that motion to reopen is prove that you notified immigration that you changed addresses and they still mailed it to the old address. That case, you'll win. Other than that, you'll probably lose it.
Bostono Locono on YouTube. What is Plan C?
What is Plan C? Mm-hmm. That is parole status for people who were here prior on or before January 1st, 2011. That gets you promise from the government not to deport you, a work permit, travel document, good for 5 years, renewable for another 5 years, as well as giving more green cards to people on the waiting list from the unused green cards and paying an extra fine to jump the line on green cards.
Anonymous on YouTube. It's been 4 months since I took my biometrics. I filed VAWA and I still have no response from USCIS. How long do you feel it's going to take to get an employment authorization document and travel documents?
They filed an adjustment?
It's been 4 months since they took the biometrics, filed a VAWA.
Well, if you filed a VAWA adjustment, it's about 6 months. If it's just a VAWA, you're not going to get anything.
Okay, Dr. Imad Tatamuni on YouTube. What does it mean when the I-485 and I-140 have been in Texas Service Center for 3 years, and then last month they sent it to National Benefits Center for 1 month and sent it back to Texas Center?
What does it mean? It means that it's shuffling your file all over the place.
Yikes. All right. Ethel Romaine Natividad Garcia on Facebook. I missed a call from USCIS to reschedule my biometric appointment. I tried to call back but didn't get an answer. And now the representative said it might be an abandonment. What should I do? What are the next steps? I have COVID, so I'm unable to go to my appointment.
Contact immigration by letter. Don't make a telephone call.
Last one, Peter Yearwood on YouTube. I filed a U visa. I did my biometrics in 2017, 2018. I was told I can't apply for a work permit, cannot apply for a work permit yet, and that I had to wait 10 years. I'm confused about what I should do.
What did they apply in 2018?
U visa, and did the biometrics in 2017,
Well,
2018.
you can file for a work permit based on humanitarian reasons. They've also come out with a new rule that if you have a bona fide U visa application, you can request a work permit that way too. So there's other ways to get a work permit.
All right.
Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.